To find Rocket Money budget tracking, start by visiting the official Rocket Money website. Rocket Money is a personal finance app that helps users manage their expenses and create a budget. Once you are on the website, click on the Sign Up button to create an account. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name and email address. After creating your account, you will be prompted to link your bank accounts and credit cards to the app. This will allow Rocket Money to track your spending and provide you with a clear picture of your financial situation. After linking your accounts, you will be able to see a breakdown of your income and expenses. The app will categorize your expenses into different categories such as housing, food, and entertainment. You can also set budget goals for each category and track your progress. In addition to the website, Rocket Money also has a mobile app that you can download on your smartphone. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices and can be found in the App Store. To find the app, simply search for Rocket Money in the search bar and click on the download button. Once you have downloaded the app, you can log into your account and access all of the features and tools that Rocket Money has to offer. The app is user-friendly and easy to navigate, making it simple to track your budget and stay on top of your finances. Overall, finding Rocket Money budget tracking is a simple and straightforward process. By following these steps, you can start using the app to manage your finances and achieve your budget goals. Remember to always keep your account information secure and up to date to ensure that you get the most out of the app.